Major airdrop listing date. Telegram is set before October. What is Major Coin Telegram? The world of Telegram mini-apps is about to get even more exciting with the introduction of Major, a rating game that has quickly gained traction among users. With a community of 8.7 million users and growing, Major is positioned to become one of the most talked about games on the platform. This game isn't just about fun, it's about earning real rewards. Top players, known as Majors, will soon be rewarded in TON cryptocurrency, adding a thrilling incentive for participation. Major airdrop date. As the hype builds around Major, there's growing speculation about an upcoming airdrop. Although there hasn't been an official announcement yet, the buzz within the community suggests that an airdrop could be on the horizon before October 30th. Given the precedent set by other popular Telegram games like X Empire, Blum, and To Market, all of which are slated for exchange listings before the end of October, it's highly likely that Major listing will be on or before October 30th. The potential airdrop is expected to reward the most active players, further encouraging engagement and competition within the game. Major listing date. The anticipation surrounding Major's listing date is palpable. While no specific date has been confirmed, industry insiders predict that it will occur before October 30th. This aligns with the listing schedules of other major Telegram mini-apps, which are all preparing for their moment in the spotlight on significant exchanges. The timing of Major's listing will be crucial, as it could significantly impact the game's popularity and the value of its associated cryptocurrency. Major airdrop price prediction. As for the listing price, predictions are already circulating. Experts suggest that the initial price of Major's token could range between $0.001 and $0.005. This range reflects both the game's large user base and the growing interest in Telegram-based mini-apps. If Major manages to replicate the success of its predecessors, we could see a substantial surge in its token's value shortly after the listing. Early adopters who participate in the game now might find themselves at the forefront of a lucrative opportunity when the official listing occurs. In conclusion, Major is gearing up to be a major player in the Telegram mini-app space. With an impending airdrop and listing on major exchanges, this game offers not only entertainment but also the potential for significant financial rewards. Keep an eye on Major as it prepares to make its grand entrance onto the market before October 30th. And be ready to claim your place among the top majors.